In 1995, a blind guru convinced thousands that murder would bring them closer to God. Shoko Asahara built his doomsday cult using mind control and fear. He promised his followers enlightenment through violence. In secret laboratories, they created sarin gas, a military-grade nerve agent designed to kill. On March 20th, during Tokyo's morning rush hour, his disciples released the deadly chemical in subway cars. 13 people died. Thousands were injured. Commuters collapsed, convulsing and foaming at the mouth. One of history's deadliest terrorist attacks, carried out by people who believed they were saving the world.